sapling is born, striving to reach the sky. It grows through rain and wind. It spreads its roots big and strong. But one day suddenly the tree stops reaching for the sky. It no longer grows solid, just thickens to stand firm and strong. As if spreading its arms wide, it stretches its branches towards the sky, so that birds can perch on its branches, so that animals can live in its holes, so that people can rest in its shade, so the forest can take its shape. All for the sake of others, the tree stops reaching for the sky. Through long, long years, the tree remains in its place. Through rain and wind, it spreads its roots strong and firm. As if spreading its arms wide, it stretches its branches towards the sky.